Hey folks, in this quick short, I'm just going to show you guys how to quickly mask any kind of piece, whether it's for a computer or whether it's for any kind of model kits. It doesn't really matter. Let's start off with our X-Acto, and I'm going to also show the difference between, so these are the same M3 tape, but one of them is good quality. You'll be able, and then so this is the same M3 tape, but yeah, you can tell this is going to lift a lot easier. So I use this for the bottom, and we use this for the harder area stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll set up set up 3 strips here as well. It doesn't have to be straight, that's okay, but use a sharp X-Acto. And the third one. And then let's go ahead and cut these to size. Where's my ruler? Okay, that's okay. Perfect. So we'll get this guy down, cut to size as well. Now we'll come in for the masking. We're going to put away this guy. For the actual cuts, we're going to be using something a bit more fine. So this was a normal X-Acto knife. This is more of a hobby arts. I'll leave a link on this below if you guys are interested. But okay, it is recording. Good. So let's go ahead and start with this. This will be for the actual screen itself. So again, a lot of freestyle. It's not even straight. I'm sorry for those who have OCD. I'm doing this on purpose. It's not straight, but we just want to cover the entire area. And we're going to get in here with the X-Acto knife. You just want to let your hand do a lot of the work for you. You're not trying to put any pressure. As you can see, the hand will just drive itself. Mind you, you will need an extremely sharp blade for this, but so we use the good tape for the hard masking, and then we use the, I'll say not so great tape, or just regular Amazon tape. This is from Amazon. Regular Amazon 3M tape for the back. And that's it. You have your item ready to mask, and this is good to be painted.